Hey, it's Robby here, and this is my student Chuck. Now, Chuck made $51,000 in profit in 1 month. And he did it without his own product. He did it without an email list. He did it without a website, having an agency, getting on the phone with people, being in front of the camera, none of that stuff, guys. He did it using a simple 3-step system that has allowed him to change his life forever. And that's one of the most important things about having an online business, is having that time freedom, that geographical freedom, and the financial freedom to do what you want to do. And so Chuck is living his best life now because he's able to have more success online. And I want the same for you. But before we do that, guys, I don't want to just tell you about Chuck. Why don't you hear from Chuck himself?
I went to bed and I was at, I think I was at like $980 in sales, and I was like, don't do this to me again. Yeah. So so I went to bed and I woke up and $1,145 in sales, and it was just like the first thing I did was text Lee, and I was like, I made my first $1,000 day. He's like, I knew you could do it, buddy. Like, you know, because I wanted it, I found a way to make it happen. And you know, and I think that's really the main thing. Like, just find a way to make it happen.
All right, so you can see this really does work. And the best part about it, guys, is once again, you don't have to have any prior experience. All you have to do is follow a simple 3-step system that I've laid out for you that will change your life forever, guys. It's changed my life. It took me from being a struggling gym owner to now being the #1 affiliate on ClickBank and generating millions of dollars per year. It's helped Chuck generate $51,000 in profit in a single month, and I know it can help you too. So do me a huge favor, click the link on this video, head over to the next page and register for my workshop, which takes place today, because on this workshop, I'm gonna share with you exactly how you can do just that. How you can learn how to generate thousands of dollars per day online without an email list, without your own product, and without any prior experience, guys. So click the link right now, head over to the next page, register for my workshop, and I'll see you on the inside.